going on? Mr. Dave here on the rock. We are going to do our little paint touch up here in just a little bit. We got everything taped off and masked, ready to go. And so it's going to be fun making it look nice and new. So let's take a walk and we'll check in on how things have progressed. Got the wide angle lens here. This is that upper pond, and then you can look into the cathedral rock down in there. And this is that crazy slide that goes right through the whole grotto space. Wow, look at that. Right down to that little marker thing, barrier thing. So this step, we did a little touch up there as I climbed down. We had planter pockets for fall artificial plants, but they didn't look very good, so we just turned them into faux rock. Taping a mask everywhere. That's my little mixing station for my paints. Now we're walking into the grotto, which is always crazy. The guy's been taping and masking for a couple days now to get it all nice and purdy. And so we're going to be trying to bring the light bleached faux rock up to be matching the actual stuff that's the right color. So we've got our pool right down in there. The way the grotto is, you can jump in him or swim out in this little section. There's a waterfall up above, lights everywhere. There's the slide as it pops out, opening a little window there. Light comes in this afternoon, which is so amazing. Decided to make this open, this whole side, and there's a little railing and there's stairs that we just came down or up there, and got lights and stuff. They put them in plastic packages. Right there is the flat screen TV area, so you can see the bleached out section that we're gonna try to bring back up to the rest of the color of our wonderful little bling in here, that perlite stuff that we put in there, or whatever it's called. We had different colors and stuff too. It was really fun putting that all together there too. But got speakers around, and so we're inside the grotto. This is the cathedral rock I pointed out with that window, and that window's right up there. They named that like a light. This whole thing is nuts at nighttime. Made it so water can come down through here with a little rock that can dam it up and have a lot of water, or just a little bit. Bench seats everywhere inside. Right now we're inside the whole space, and so just craziest job of my career, really. So made stairs out here so you can actually climb up the side of this and get into that pond that you saw at the beginning of the video there. So we are, again, look at that difference. We're going to be bringing this up. Over here we have that backrest we talked about in previous videos, and so we built out that little section because it had a little dip, and we thickened up the top of our little backrest, so we have lots of room to put your little brewski or your coffee or your tea, as it were. So this we have been finishing out. It got a texture coat on yesterday, and we're letting it cure, getting some moisture on it. We'll see if we can get paint on it today or not. Maybe a little base coat, which wouldn't be bad because paint is water-based, and it'll help the concrete and the mortar mix rather get strong and beefy. So there's that little crack with the waterfall that comes down right through there that I made just to make something cool. So places for candles, brewskis, handholds. There's the depth of this thing. It's a big hole in the ground. Yes, it is. So all this stuff we're going to give some color to, and again, tie it into the rest of the feature, just like when it was brand new. So this section here, we added this whole backrest, as you've seen in the other videos. I beefed up the edge of that bench seat a little bit, so more room for the butt. So this whole thing is textured and ready to go. Here's our main trowels. We use the pointy ones mostly. This on bigger areas, as is the case may be. So looking forward to getting this thing all tuned up, painted up, and ready to go with the hose, which will be just in a few days. So the Monster Alpine job ready, just about for the paint to be going on. We did the modifications for the planter pockets and added this backrest, so people won't be clipping their toes as easy, because they'll see this and go, hey, there's something down below my feet, don't keep walking. So anyways, yeah, pretty cool stuff going on. Daniel's out there finishing up the last little masking and stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching the videos. Hope you're having a great day no matter what. Remember to be thankful and forgiving and grateful. You get those things dialed in, you're going to be a dialed in person, and you're going to be making a difference in this world in a positive sense. And remember, Jesus is coming back. So get him in your heart. He'll clean you up and make you able to be in the presence of God when you breathe your last breath on this little blue ball floating around in space. So yeah, get Jesus in your heart, and he also helps you bear the burdens of life, which can be pretty intense. You're not supposed to do it on yourself, all by yourself, on your own. You're supposed to help have God take those loads. They're not for you. So get Jesus in your heart. That's a good thing, I'm telling you. And be grateful and forgiving. A way to be a happy soul. All right, God bless you. Keep on letting me know what you have questions-wise with fake rock stuff. I'll do my best to give you the feedback you need to help you along that creative road. If you want to start your own business in this, I got books on that and other things you can learn from if you want. So check it out, and go to davehenderson.podia.com. Lots of free downloads, and you will learn how to do some of this stuff if you want. All right. So have a great day no matter what, and we'll see you on the next one. Rock and roll, everybody. Keep on rocking. We'll see you next time. Bye.